Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can blur background in Zoom Meeting, the Android mobile version. So, in previous version on Zoom Meeting, you can set your virtual background, even you can blur your background on the settings here. You can tap on meeting settings and you can set your virtual background, blur background in here. But in the new versions, if you update this app, you cannot anymore use that setting to blur your background. So in order to make it blur, in order to set your virtual background, you can join meeting first or you can start new meeting first, and then you can slide on your toolbar and tap the apps. And here you can tap on virtual backgrounds, discover the perfect virtual background. And here you can set your virtual background. There are 4 categories, and also you can make uh, your background blurred by tap on 3 dots and here blur. You can tap this blur option to set your background blurry. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the X button below. See you in the next video.